cheese in a bag. People like me don't have time to eat food. So this is just a matter of convenience. Alright, today I will be consuming an MRE. I have chosen chicken chunks, cooked. I would hope so. I eat these every day. I enjoy the variety of things. It also comes with matches for my cigarettes, gum, and a little bit of toilet paper. Alright, so I got a selection of goods here. We got a teriyaki beef stick, barbecue corn nuggets. We have fruit punch beverage powder. We have cheese spread, tortillas plain, barbecue sauce, this, some corn. They're just like these dry, horrible stones of corn. Beef stick. It kind of tastes like, it's just, I don't know. Next we have some cheese, bagged cheese. Yeah, it's just like bad cheese, really. Barbecue sauce. Not really sure why they gave me barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce, but if you left the packet open on your counter for 4 days. Tortillas plain. They look like kind of normal, actually. It tastes like the bread that comes with the pizza for the Lunchables pizza. Dry and terrible. This First Strike bar. A strange odor. Grandma's house during Thanksgiving. Yeah, it kind of tastes like cinnamon candle from Bed Bath & Beyond. Heating bag for cooking. First order of business, you want to open the bag. Do not inhale the fumes unless you want to have a good time. Then place the food sack into the bag. You just need a little bit of liquid, doesn't matter what kind of liquid, and fill up the bag. You hear it fizzing. It's going to get very hot. You want to shove it in the cardboard. Chicken chunks are done, hopefully. It's very hot. A wet sack with a bag of chicken in it. All right. Wet bag of chicken. Some water in it. It smells like opening a can of tuna. But let's fucking try it, I guess. Here is a singular piece of the white chicken. Yeah, it tastes like canned tuna if it was unsalted. I would rate this meal a 4 out of 10.